Today we have a Galaxy S9. When you put the phone in LTE mode and try to make a phone call, all the calls fail. Call fail. Let's try to make another phone call. What we are going to do is flash the unlock firmware. That way all the restrictions that are on this device will be removed. And then we are going to try to make a call while the phone is in LTE. Now let's put the phone in download mode. Volume down, Bixby button plus the power button. Now you only need to press volume up. Now it's time to connect the phone to the computer and flash the unlock firmware. Firmware has finished downloading. Now we're going to flash the firmware. Flashing is complete. Now let's see what model we have under model number. Under model number we have the unlock version, the unlock firmware. Now we are on LTE. Now let's check whether or not we can make a phone call. So yes, that's it. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.